Whether you're inspecting small, large, or heavy parts, the VHX series can do it all with our new VHX SL1 300mm stage, designed exclusively for the VHX X1 Digital Microscope series. One of the main benefits with the VHX SL1 stage is the 300 by 300mm travel range, which is 9 times larger than our previous stage, making it easier than ever to inspect large samples without destroying them. The SL1 can support parts up to 18 inches wide and 16 inches tall when paired with compatible spacer sets. Weight is also not a problem, as the stage's maximum weight capacity is 30 kilograms or 66 pounds. This means you no longer need to retrofit a custom stage with the VHX series and can take advantage of the VHX's user-friendly interface without cutting down the size or quantity of your parts. All of this is made even easier with intuitive navigation tools. You can control the stage precisely using the joystick on the main console and take advantage of automated navigation, even at high magnification. As with all VHX stages, the SL1 also includes optics tilt, making it easy to view recessed or angled areas without needing custom fixtures. It also works seamlessly with the new automatic wafer edge detection feature on the VHX X1. That means you can inspect the entire perimeter of a wafer without repositioning or refixturing the sample. If you're inspecting many parts at once, the SL1 supports automated image capture and measurement of up to 999 parts, making batch inspections easier and faster than ever. The VHX SL1 is also compatible with all of the VHX's lens options, including our elemental analysis head, expanding your options for analysis without the need to switch to additional tools and equipment. And like most KEYENCE products, the VHX SL1 is in stock and ready to ship the same day. Get it fast and get to work immediately.